Let's create a glitch effect in After Effects. I'll guide you step by step to achieve this look. Start by making sure you're inside your composition. Drag and drop the glitch overlay file into your timeline. If you don't have one, you can find overlays online or use the one linked in the description. Once the overlay is added, locate it in the timeline layers and click the eye icon next to it. This will hide the overlay temporarily so we can focus on the text. Next, create a text layer. Type in any text you want and use the Align panel to center it for a polished look. If the Align panel isn't visible, you can enable it by going to the Window menu at the top. Now, we'll add an adjustment layer. Right-click anywhere in the timeline, hover over New and choose Adjustment Layer. This layer will hold the effects needed for the glitch look. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Displacement Map and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Go to the Effect Controls panel and under Displacement Map layer, select your glitch overlay from the drop-down menu. This links the movement of the overlay to your text, creating the base glitch effect. To add color distortion, duplicate your text layer twice by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac. Now you should have 3 identical text layers. Next, search for Set Channels in the Effects and Presets panel and apply it to all 3 text layers. Go through each layer one by one. For the first text layer, disable all colors except red in the Effect Controls. For the second layer, disable all colors except blue. And for the third layer, disable all colors except green. This separates the text into RGB channels. After that, change the blend mode for all the text layers to screen. Finally, to complete the glitch effect, select each of the 3 text layers and press P on your keyboard to reveal their position settings. Slightly adjust the position of each layer so that the colors shift and create a glitchy, distorted appearance. And there you have it, a clean and dynamic glitch effect. Feel free to tweak the displacement map and text positions to get the exact look you're going for.